Morning guys, welcome to Sephora Vlogs. Super excited. We are heading to Sephora. So this is my first ever collab with Sephora. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And thanks to this man who has been my biggest support in everything. Everything I do, this man has got my back, honestly. Yes, it's teamwork. Nothing without teamwork. And my little man behind.
Yeah, he's part of the team.
Yeah, he's always, they are my biggest cheerleaders. Biggest ever cheerleaders, honestly. So I couldn't do without them. And he pushed me. He was like, yeah, just do it. This is going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. You got to get out there and just do it. And I was like, but I'm pregnant. I look ugly. I look fat. I look chubby. He's like, no, just do it. Just go for it. So yeah, I'm going for Sephora collab. How amazing is that? I never thought it's gonna happen, but it's happening. Sephora has been newly opened in Cardiff, guys. So that's where I'm heading to. And stay tuned. I'll show you exactly what all it's going to be about. So everything's going to be unfolding shortly. You'll see why I'm heading there, what's the collab about, and you will also see my top favorite products from Sephora. So stay tuned guys, and let's go. Guys, the traffic is wild here. We were expecting this because obviously it's Christmas time and it's Saturday, so weekend. It's crazy, but hopefully we can get there in time. We're getting late.
So यहाँ से कम आधा घंटा लगेगा अभी और 30 minutes at least. Even more than that.
Please don't say that because
plus I don't know हमें parking मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. So I think maybe I have to drop you.
Oh no, because I was hoping Tushar's gonna help me with the shoot. So I'm going to set up all my devices. So whatever the event is happening at 1 o'clock, but I was hoping I'll, do Sephora haul before. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. We're already running late. We are literally like neck to neck with the timing. So fingers crossed. So guys, I'm going to tell you the first time I went to Sephora. So I was like a little girl, super excited. So first time I went to Sephora was in New York, Times Square, and I went wild. Do you remember that?
Yes, I remember that.
So I literally...
That was almost like 10 years back, isn't it?
Yeah, that was 2017.
17, yeah.
16 or 17. 17, I think. Oh my God, guys. It was like, like a little child in a candy store. It was literally like that. I went in, I was like, honey, I gotta go here. And he's like, this store might be closing because it was nearly like, it was nighttime, right? So I think it was 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, but it was still open. And then when we went inside and I was like, till what time are you open? And they went 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock or
1 or 2, something like that. So I was like, what? Wait, what? Midnight? And they were like, yes, way past midnight. And I was like, I just went crazy, guys. I bought so much. I was like, I'm going to get skincare, I'm going to get makeup, because if you know me, if you're following me, you should know that I love makeup, I love skincare, I'm obsessed. Like and subscribe. Yes. Good reminder, Kavir. Thank you for that. So guys, this is like one of those days where I feel like super excited and super thrilled to be part of such a big collab, and it means a lot. So hit the bell icon. Yes, Kavir.
Hit the bell.
Yeah, hit the bell. You better. I'm going to give you one hint. Only one hint, okay? This is with the brand Elia at Sephora. So wait for it and you will. I'll tell you all. You'll find out soon. And look at the traffic. It's still crazy. But we are, literally close to the traffic lights. So not far. We are coming, Sephora. See you in a bit. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं आपके साथ लेट होने वाली हूँ. तुषार इसलिए मुझे छोड़ने जा रहा है गाइस बिकॉज मैं लेट ना हो जाऊँ, और मुझे बहुत बड़ा मॉरल सपोर्ट मिलता है जब वो मेरे साथ होता है, और वो हर चीज़ में मेरे साथ होता है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, वो सुबह उठा, उसने बच्चे को रेडी किया, खुद रेडी हुआ, ब्रेकफास्ट किया, मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट कराया, एंड ऑल ही वाज लाइक, यू जस्ट गो गेट रेडी, यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर वर्क एंड आई एम गोना सॉर्ट इट ऑल आउट. सो सब इसने संभाला, सब कुछ किया. और कबीर का भी काफ़ी कुछ है, स्कूल से उसको टास्क मिला हुआ है तो वो भी वो कर रहा है, तो तुषार उसमें भी उसकी हेल्प कर रहा है. सो ही इज़ लिटरली लाइक my man, my dream man. my biggest support ever. So yeah, guys, matlab, dream husband, dream team. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You need a supporting partner, guys. Honestly, I think for every girl, especially every woman out there, if you don't have that one person who supports you in your dreams and like who's there with you, that's like who stands by you, you know, as a true partner, like in a equal partnership, then I think you can't do it. You really can't do it. So guys, honestly, it means the world to me, and that is why I keep going. I'm out there. I'm literally like, every opportunity comes my way, I speak to him, I discuss with him, and he's literally like, go baby, you gotta take this on. Because there are lots of times when I'm confused and I'm like, I don't think I can do this, or you know, obviously you need that encouragement, and any encouragement will get you there. And because of him, I'm literally on Instagram, I'm on YouTube now. For the longest time, I mean, there were lots of people pushing me. They were like, start your YouTube vlogs. And I was like, I can't do it. I'm not ready to show every bit of my life, you know, every nitty gritty detail of my life on YouTube. I'm not ready yet. But see, here we are. We did it. We are doing it, guys. That's because Tushar was like, let's do it. It's now or never. Again, you know, I think it's a great opportunity because I'll be going off work soon. I'll be going on my maternity, so I can dedicate my time to this, to the baby, show you my real life, show you exactly my motherhood journey, my parenting journey. I'm going to be discussing a lot about parenting skills, a lot about motherhood, everything, you know, everything. This is going to be like a full-on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, come travel, everything vlog, and health. So I'm going to be including health because Tushar was like, you're a pharmacist, you need to talk about health, you need to be out there and talk about what people really want to know and make them aware of lots of things that the general public, the normal public isn't aware of. So you need to share your knowledge. So I think that's a great advice, and I was like, okay, I think it makes sense. So I'm gonna be coming up with lots of great health tips and tricks. So stay tuned, guys, and chalte hain Sephora, jaldi, bahut traffic hai abhi bhi. But we are trying, we are getting there. We've been literally just very lucky. St. David's car park में आए हैं और ये बंदी अपनी गाड़ी निकाल रही है. आते ही हमें पार्किंग स्पेस मिल गई. हर जगह फुल लिखा हुआ आ रहा था.
सारे लेवल्स फुल है. 7 के 7.
Oh my God. So lucky. Thank God. जल्दी से करते हैं पार्क और जल्दी से जाते हैं अंदर. बहुत भीड़ है आज, बहुत. Let's talk a block. I think I'm already 12:43 हो गया. 1 o'clock event है. I don't know. We'll make
maybe
it. We'll make it
later on. मामा बात भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, maybe मैं ये बाद में शूट कर लूँगी Sephora हॉल और just event के लिए रेडी होती हूँ. अपनी nerves को करती हूँ काम. As you can tell कि मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा up in the air सब कुछ. But yeah, that's because I'm super duper excited, guys. I've gone crazy. I am crazy. See you in a bit.
Hey, lovely to meet you. You look lush.
Thank you.
You look amazing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you look lush.
I was literally like, what?
Sorry.
Thank you. So guys, I'm finally in Sephora and it's time for the big reveal. So I'm doing a master class with Ilya. So one of the makeup artists in here, she will be doing makeup on me and it's going to be a huge masterclass with the brand Ilya. So super excited. Let's get started. And the crowd will be watching me. So that's what it's gonna look like. Hey. That's my makeup artist.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, this is Nish. Super excited. Yeah.
I'm gonna put my headset on now. Everything's stressing me out.
I can imagine. So we're gonna set it all up and we'll show you. Stay tuned. Guys, we are back from Sephora and I am back with two, not one, two bags. Yes, that's right. Say.
We got Mummy's favorite Sephora products.
That's right. And I'm going to show you what I got.
So, let's see.
Oh. So obviously, as you know, I had my masterclass with Elia. So you've got lots and lots of perfume samples. Gloss tinted lip oil from Elia again. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, I like that color. This is nice. This is pretty. This is shade Petals.
And I see petal.
Yeah, it says Petals right down there. Feels good. It's lip oil.
Look, oil.
But it's pigmented. This is great. And what's that? And this is multi-stick. Oh, I love multi-sticks because you can actually use them as lipstick, as blush, as eyeshadow. Like this is like all in one. But the best thing about this multi-stick is it's got avocado oil in, so it's going to be really hydrating. Shea butter, moisturizing. Orange peel wax. Seems like all good ingredients in there. Let's check this out.
Next time.
So this is shade Stella by Starlight. You okay?
See, I did in this part.
There we go. This is the multi-stick, guys. So you can use this as...
More.
You
are.
And on your eyes, everywhere, basically. Oh, it's a very, very... Can you tell? Like you can't tell. It's like a beigeish color. Beigeish, pinkish. I like it. It's like you're hardly wearing anything on your skin. So that's perfect. I love that. So those were all the products that I was given from Sephora very kindly. And now I'm going to show you what I got from Sephora. You're helping, Mama? Okay then. So Kiki's helping me. Come on then.
Sephora, Sephora, Sephora.
Sephora, Sephora, Sephora.
Hey.
So this is the duo brush. There's been a hype on Instagram about this duo brush. So I really wanted to try it. I really wanted to get my hands on it. Only if I can open it. I think it's sealed.
I'll try.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
5 plates.
Look at that.
We had bought it to a bottle of water. Not from Sephora. Is it from Sephora?
No, not from Sephora. The bristles are so soft, guys. This is great. I love this already.
Oh, wait. There's one on this side.
Yeah. So nice. So this duo brush is going to be really, really handy. So you can pat it. Oh, I love it. Under eye, it's amazing. For blush, it's amazing. Next. Kiki's in a rush. Okay, Kavir, let's have the next product. Oh no, that's the bill. We didn't want to show the bill. Next one, please. Okay, so this is Rhode in shade Tan Line. I was super excited when I found out Rhode has finally come to Sephora, guys. And I've been wanting to try Rhode products for absolutely forever because the hype is unreal. And the hype is crazy, but the products are even crazier. Look at that. Oh my God, look how pigmented this is. So this is going to be a perfect shade, like pinkish brownie shade for winters. Oh my God, guys. I am obsessed. Let's use that brush to blend the product in. Whoa, can you see? And it's like nice. It doesn't feel like too balmy. It feels like it's smooth and it just blends in right into the skin. It's perfect. It's just perfect. Yeah. So I love this already. Rhode, you have my heart and I've been wanting to try Rhode products forever. Come on then, what's the next product, Kiki?
Ooh.
Oh, I've been talking about Rhode already and this is the next product. Guys, I've been wanting to get my hands on this one as well because this is like glazing milk mist. So you just spray it onto your skin and you're instantly refreshing and hydrating your skin. Let's shake it.
Me too. Lots of for me.
Yeah, close your eyes. Nice?
Ah.
Nice, right? Very lightweight, doesn't feel like you've got anything on your face. Gives you that glazed skin and instantly refreshes your skin as well as nourishes your skin. So, great buy. Next one. You already opened it. Naughty, naughty. So, this one is Wino Perfect Serum by Caudalie. This one, I've been trying to get my hands on this one as well. So I'm going to check whether it's actually safe to use during pregnancy or not. But this is a brightening dark serum and I've heard so many good things about this, guys. All Asian people have been swearing by this product.
Nice.
Look at that.
Guys.
And look at this one. This is one size spray, setting spray. So this is waterproof. So you can go in the pool, you lock your makeup using the spray. And then, yeah, you're good to go. You know, especially for that humid holiday, this is great product. So let's try this because I haven't actually tried it. They didn't have any testers in store. And I heard so many good things about this product. So let's give it a shot.
How is it, buddy?
I think I like it. And it smells lovely. So worth a buy, worth a try.
No.
Okay, do we have anything else?
Already?
Oh no, we got it out. Next product is this Kosa concealer. I've heard so many good things about this brand, guys. So I'm going to try this concealer because I heard many good things, like I said. And I want to be trying other stuff from the same brand. So this is in shade 2.3N, light with neutral undertones. Let me show you what this shade actually looks like. You know what? I'm actually going to apply some product under my eyes, like little product, and try and blend it in with the... Can you pass me that brush, please? Use this brush to blend this product in. Look at that. This is instantly brighten my under eyes. So this is absolutely brilliant. Let's try this. And the best thing about this product is not too drying, guys. So I currently use other concealers which can be quite drying, but this is really hydrating. I don't need to spray my brush with anything. So it's perfect. I love this already. This actually contains hyaluronic acid and it's super creamy, which it is. This is great and brightening concealer. So I absolutely love it. It's got caffeine, pink algae, arnica, pro-vitamin B5, peptides, hyaluronic acid, silicone-free. So I think Kosa's is definitely one brand that I'm going to highly recommend you all, guys. So this is the end of this vlog, guys. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff coming right up. And
like and subscribe, please, and hit the bell.
Hit that bell button.
Again. And like and subscribe again and hit the bell again.
and follow Ishfish on Instagram as well.